Good evening, I'm Jessica Gauthier.
And I'm Michael Rinker. Tonight, a Wiregrass daughter is outraged after the man accused of killing her mom continues to maintain his innocence and is now asked to be released from jail.
The victim was found dead in a Florida ditch back in 2001, but her husband wasn't arrested until last year. WDHN's Robert Smith spoke with the victim's daughter and has more for us tonight.
The defense team for Dwight Mills delivering a blow to Sharon Mills' family after they filed a motion asking a judge to dismiss his murder and corpse of abuse charges. The news coming down right before the start of Mother's Day weekend.
I just say it's the devil trying to, throw a sucker punch. And I feel like his lawyers knew it was Mother's Day. They knew they're trying to wear us down. But we have the victory. We have the evidence.
After being arrested and indicted last year, Mills is accused of killing his wife Sharon over 20 years ago and dumping her body in a ditch in Bonifay, Florida, before filing a fake missing persons report days later. However, Mills' defense team disputing law enforcement's evidence in a recent motion that claimed there is not any proof on the autopsy that his wife was murdered, but claims there is evidence that she fell in a hole when after stepping out of the car to urinate, where she later died as he left her there, claiming she didn't want help getting up. He says they were down in Florida buying alcohol around Christmas in 2001.
Because he reported her missing, he changed his story 3 times. And if that really happened, wouldn't he get help? You're married. Wouldn't you get help to try to find her and be persistent about it? It just doesn't make sense. And then go to rehab the next day and never call to check on the case. Never. He knew who did it. He did it. He just needs to admit it and pay for his crime.
Falk says for her mother, she will fight to make sure Mills pay for the alleged crime.
I have that unshakable faith, and I know I can do anything. I can go in that court and I can fight for my mother, and that's what it's going to come down to. And that's what I'm willing to do, because she would do anything for me.
So far, there is no word on the motion filed by his defense team, but a judge has set a motions hearing in 2 weeks.
So I'm hoping that he will say, the grand jury saw enough for this to be indicted, and our DA saw enough to have the arrest. So I think we deserve to let this family go to trial.
In Houston County, Robert Smith, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.